Okay, here we go. Alright. So this Raptor 660 is leaking oil. Actually, yeah, it was leaking oil out of this breather tube that needed to be connected. The main thing is it's leaking water out of the front of the engine when I get it going. The cylinder head is supposedly new with a new piston, and the engine has been rebuilt, but I had to take apart the engine to fix the oil pump and a couple other things, including the carburetor. Let's turn the gas on and see if it will turn over and start, and see if you can see the water coming out of the front of the engine like I did. Okay, need to choke it. Okay, on, we got spark, we got gas, and it does not, oh, I know why it's not firing, because the spark plug isn't hooked up. Gosh, that would make a lot of sense. Okay. first time I had this thing fired up, it just spewed oil and water everywhere from the front of the engine. It spewed oil because I didn't have this breather tube connecting the front of the crankcase, or excuse me, the cylinder head breather thing connected to the oil thing. But water would spray out of the front of the engine and like hit the radiator. And at first I thought it was the radiator spraying on the front of the engine. Now I can't get any water to come out anywhere except a little bit of steam on the front of the engine, which is still indicative of there being a water leak somewhere on the cylinder head. But I don't really want to rip it apart if I don't have to, and I haven't had a chance to rip this thing around since I put it together, so maybe I'll just put the chain on it and drive it around and see if it actually drives for a few minutes. Well, shoot.